I'm going to show you on an LG TV. I'm having problems that every time I'm turning on my TV, it's also turning on my things that are connected through the HDMI. So I figured it out. If you have one of these remotes, the smart remotes, you're just going to hit the setting button here. And you're going to scroll down to at the bottom here, all settings. Then some tutorials tell you to go in various places, but for this one, you're hitting connection. And then you're actually going to go down to HDMI device settings. I had seen other tutorials telling me to go to device connector, and it did not have what I needed there. So if that's not working for you, try the HDMI device settings. And then within here, you'll see this simp link. If you have that turned on, that's allowing your TV, every time you turn on your TV remote, it's turning on all the devices that I guess are linked to your HDMIs. So that's annoying. So you're just going to toggle on or off. And that's it. Yay, it's fixed.